Okay. Okay, good afternoon po sa mga basketball fans po. Barang po tayo po sa QFBL po. Laglagang portion po tayo ngayon between Qatar Airways versus... Anong team to? Sir, anong team po ito, sir? Anong team po ito? Ha?
Okay po, nakasabungan ng first five.
Trags ha? Okay. Okay, Trags Roads versus Qatar Airways. Ang mga Road Warriors versus ang mga lumilipad, the Air Masters. Ito po yun ako si Arvin G. Vlogs with you. And nagdilipin ako global block po dito po para po sa laglagang portion between Trags Roads versus Qatar Airways. Po tayo yun, sige po. We're just waiting out for the starting lineup po for both teams between Trags Roads and Qatar Airways. And this game is sanctioned by QPEPA pool of referees to maintain po ng neatness and of the game in a neat and orderly fashion. Dahil po tayo po ngayon sa Italia, sa Iranian School in Doha. Located po ito sa Abu Mur in Doha. And we're just waiting to start now for the laglagang portion between Qatar Airways and, of course, Trags Roads. The Flying Men versus the Road Masters. Let's start now. Just waiting out for the final opening buzzer to start the ball game. Sabay na po tayo dyan dito. Sabay po tayo po dito. Okay, let's start right now. Trags versus... Alam po natin yan, Qatar Airways. Laglagang portion po dito. The winner will face the winner earlier po. Ito po ay ang Pirelli Boys. Okay, Trags Roads po. Makalinaw, Yang po. Number 30, 27. Number 19, number 8. Kalaban po naman po si Scott. Number 4, 8, 29. At si number 14. Okay, si Lumawag pala nandyan. Si number 19 nandyan. Okay, wala po. Semi-final sa Bonana po itong Barangay Rules po. And thank you pala po sa commissioner po ng QB Park for making me also one space po dito pala to allow me to vlog also. Thank you po, sir. Let's start right now. Trags and Qatar Airways. Okay, ito na. Number 30 get the rebound immediately. Ano po na? Number 30 on the attack. Number 30 on the attack. Hounded by two gray men or two golden boys. Pops up, no good. Rebound by Lumawag. And it's a foul called. Early foul called. Naloko na. Okay, early foul called on number 8. Number 48 now for the inbound to number 9. Number 9, Qatar Airways on the attack. Winner of this game will face now in the championship the Pirelli Boys, the Tire Masters. And Scott, dish of pass, nice hounded and still touch last by the white shirts. Symbol po tayo, Scott inbounding. Scott again, same ball again po tayo, touch last again by the Road Masters. And number 9 pops up for 3. Bang! 3 points, number 9. That's Biscal. 3 points by Biscal. Then now number 19. Road Masters on the attack. 3-0. Pops up. Short stab. Number 7, 2 points. 27, 2 points. Biscal. Nagmamadali. Biscal. Driving strong. Biscal. And it's a foul called. Foul called on number 30. Third jersey number 30 called for a foul. Biscal number 9 shooting for 2. Biscal number 9 shooting for 2. Pops up. It's in. Second shot. Jumpers ready. 8 minutes 38 remaining. 8 minutes 38 remaining. First quarter action. Pops up again. It's in. Okay, balik muli po tayo. The score is 2-5. Lamang muli pa rin po ng tatlo ang mga airmen. Qatar Airways, the airmen still on the lead by 3 points. The Flying Boys, 27. Rumatake. Oh, dumulas. Scott, tumatake. Scott, and nice one. Nice interception. 2-on-3 situation. Number 30, 2 points. Number 32 points. Di mo kailangan to meet number 48. To number 9, Vizcar, driving strong. No good. What a foul. Intercepted almost. And it's a traveling violation called on number 26 ng Road Warriors or Road Masters rather. And 29 to left him out, and also now Vizcar 48. In the sky pick kay lumawag 2 points. Lumawag 2 points. 7 minutes 35 remaining, first quarter action. Qatar Airways versus Prague Roads. 19, 27, 19 again, pops up, nope, ayaw niya, driving muna. Naku, ano yan, naku, di mo ka na ng bola. Scott pa nagmamadali, Scott, di shot pass, ayun, kay number 9, and 1 play pa binigay. And 1 play by number 9, continuation given by the referees. Number 9 shooting for 2. Number 9 shooting for 2. Shooting for the bonus free throw rather. Bonus free throw number 9. Number 9 bonus free throw pops up. Wala. Rebound by number 19. Road Warriors or Road Masters. Number 19. Wala ka boss. Isa pa. 2 points. Number 19 2 points. The score is 6-9. Laman pa naman po ng 3 po ang Qatar Airways. Qatar Airways, Aris Sila is watching. Aris, good afternoon po Sir Aris. Comment na po dyan. Pops up, hindi mo kailangan. Wala. Rebound by the White Shirts. White Shirts now, 19. Roadmasters attacking. Pops up. No good. Again, di mo kailangan number 18. Di mo kailangan. Dish of pass kay lumawag doon sa ilalim. Tapos. Malalim masyado. Number 19 pops up. Yes sir. Kinaliwa pa. Kumaliwa ka pa, sabi niya. And now Scott. Anang ng pasa. Vizcar 48. Pops up. Ayaw niya. Vizcar. Uy! Traveling violation, sabi ng referee. Traveling without proper documents ka, boy. Balik muna. Balik muli po sa Road Warriors ang bola. Or Road Masters. Prague's Road Masters. Number 19. Number 19. Makalinaw. Pops up. No good. Eto na si Scott. Pops up for 3. Kapos. Rebound. Number 26 po ng Road Warriors. And malalim po pasa, lumawag on the fast break. And 48 kay Scott. Binigay 2 points si Scott. 8-11, 5, nearly 16 remaining. First quarter action. Pops up. No good. Lumawag. Rebound muli. Rebound sumulawag. 48. Number 48. Umatake sa 48. 48. Leg side step. Foul called. Blocking foul called for sure. Number 19 called for the blocking foul. And timeout called. Timeout called by the Roadmasters. Prague's Roads. Tumawag po ng timeout. Magbabalik po tayo po after these messages. Yes, your host with you, Arvin. Yes, your host with you, Arvin G. Vlog si you. I'm giving out Globe and Vlog po sa ating pong request, video on request po ito ng aking kaibigan. Live po tayo ngayon po sa ating sa Iranian School in Doha. Abumur po yan. Final 5 minutes po ito ng first quarter action. Okay, back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. 48 giving now the 2 shots. Pops up. Wala. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Number 48, second shot, jumpers ready. Pops up. It's out. Rebound, 27. Number 27, naka-rebound po to number 19. Number 19. Number 19, pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound. May Makalinaw and one play binigay ni Makalinaw sa Roadmasters. Roadmasters, Makalinaw, basket account. Number 14 jersey. And now si number 8 pumapasok na yung kanyang smiling boy ng Qatar Airways. Makalinaw for the bonus free throw to tie the ball game. Pops up. It's in. Tabla. 11. Tabla po tayo. Tabla tayo sa 11. That's Bautista reporting now for Qatar Airways. Sir Owens. Good afternoon, Sir Owens. And so si James Doom. Si also watching. No good. Malimig pa. Malimig pa. Balik pa si Bautista. Balik. 4 minutes 29 remaining. Nag-driving strong. 2 points lamang po ang Roadmasters. Change favor po tayo. And number 19, babawiin ba? Pumasok agad ang kanyang tira. Tablado muli pa. 13 tablados tayo. 14-12 ang lang pagkalamangan. 14-12 po. Tabla po tayo. 13 all rather. 13 all rather po tayo. De La Serna. Number 19, Roadmasters. Number 20, naipit ang konti. Pops up. And one play binigay. Number 20, pumasok po kayong tira. And one play po tayo. Okay, number 18, labas muna para kibabagay. Number 24, Qatar Airways. Bonus free throws coming up. Pops up. It's out. Rebound by Scott. Nako, dumulay. Number 8, pumasok kay Bautista bola. Bautista 2 points, 15 all. Number 19, pops up. Kapos, rebound battle won by number 19 again. Number 19, dinukot, pasok ang bola kay number 19. Babagay, 24. Scott, 27. Alley-oop play. Sa ilalim, foul po.
2 shots po tayo.
2 shots po tayo, 2 shots. Bautista shooting for 2. Si Carmona nandiyan na pala para sa Qatar Airways din. Bautista shooting for 2. Pops up. It's in. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. It's in. Nope, it's not. It's very in. 30 minutes 17 remaining. Number 19, De La Serna. Naipit, intercepted. Babagay. Still completed. And now kay number 12, Carbola kay Jetbox. Bautista malakas. Isa pa put. Golden ball. Qatar Airways ball po tayo. Qatar Airways ball muli po tayo. Qatar Airways ball po tayo. Scott. Bautista. Short stab. 2 points. 2 minutes 55 remaining. First quarter action. It's drawing down to close. Drawing to close. 2 minutes 49 remaining. 17-19. Lamang muli po ang Qatar Airways. Makalinaw for 3. Offline. 27 foul po kay Scott. Scott called for the foul. 27. Okay, si number 16 papasok muna para kay Scott. 26 for the inbound. Almost added. 20. Setting up the pace. Set 20. Creating spaces. Walang pinasahan. Walang pinasahan po si number 20. And si Carmona Jetbox. Kay number 16. Babagay. Number 16 again. Rivera. That's Rivera pala. Si Rivera nandiyan din pala sa Qatar Airways. Ian Villanueva is watching. Hello po sa'yo, sir. Number 16. Carmona Jepox. No good. Nakuha yung number 9. Oy! Stepping on the line. White po. White daw po. Sa amin referee. It's white. Follow the white lines. Babagay. Babagay. Nagmapasahan. Rivera. Ang pamatay sunog. Si Rivera. Carmona for 3. Bang! Carmona 3 points. 3 points Carmona. Number 19. Number 19. Binababa ang bola. Number 19. Nakuha na. Lost the ball. Jepox call for a foul. Number 19. Penalty situation. First quarter pa lang po yan.
Second place foul. Attention number 19.
Baba Jepox shooting for 2. Jepox shooting for 2 po tayo. Pops up. Wala. Jepox second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw. Jumpers ready. Jepox. Wala pareho. Pero nandun si number 19. One more time. Palpal. Block. Number 19. Bothered. Nice one by Makalinaw. 2 points Makalinaw. 8-19-22. Laman pa rin po ng tatlo ang Qatar Airways. The Flying Boys. Jepox. Babagay. Babagay. To Jepox again. Jepox. Jepox floating shot. No good. Bautista. Wala po. Walang tawag. Again, on the attack po ang Roadmasters. Makalinaw. No good. Take 2 si Makalinaw. Makalinaw 2 shooting for 2. Jersey number 16. Makalinaw first shot. No good. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Pops up. It's out. And same ball. Makalinaw for the inbound. Number 9, 26. Number 19, De La Serna. De La Serna. Nagkakaroon pang mapasahan. Makalinaw. Makalinaw. Makalinaw pops up for 3. No. Rebound by 26. Makalinaw slicing in. And foul. Again called. Makalinaw slicing in. Foul. 5, jersey number 25. 24 rather, called for a foul. Makalinaw shoot 2 shots given. It's in. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. It's in. Both basket made. Balik muli po tayo. And again po, eto na. Number 16. Rivera, Carmona, Jepox. Jepox, Bautista for 3. Bang! 3 points Bautista, kamakisunog. 10 seconds shot. Makalinaw matake. Makalinaw, fumbled ng konti. Makalinaw, zero on the attack. Makalinaw, lost the ball. And hurled. Wala na. First quarter ended. The story so far, 21-25. Laman po ng 4 po ang Qatar Airways. The Flying Boys. The Airmen. The Flying Boys. Standby po tayo po sa second quarter action. We're here live right now sa Iranian School in Doha. In Abu Dhabi po tayo witnessing yung dalaglagang portion po. Semi-finals matchup between Qatar Airways versus Trags Rhodes. Airmen versus the Road Master. Ako po yung host video, RBG Vlogs. This all video on request ng aking kaibigan.
Reminder ko na, wala po tayong pasabil.
Video on request po. Okay, second quarter action start. Qatar Airways ball. Di mo kulangan. 24. Das Babagay. Rivera number 16. Bautista. And Dumawag. Kabila po. 13, 27, 26, 30, and 19 naman po sa Roadmasters. Sa Trags Roads. And now, Bautista. Lumawag. Wala. Ayun. Makalino naka-rebound. Makalinaw. Pinasa kay number 29, number 19. Cross court pass. Pops up. Number 3. No good. Nandun si Rivera. Rivera. Naka-rebound si Rivera. Rivera. Binaba ang bola. Rivera. Rivera. Ayun kay Bautista. Tukot sa ilalim. No good. No good. Kapul. Number 12. 19 again. 2 points sana. Hindi pa ba? Makalinaw. 2 points. Makalinaw. Makalinaw, 2 points, 23-25. Laman ng dalawa pa rin po ang Qatar Airways. 9-12 remaining, second quarter action. Babagay for 3. Bang! 3 points Babagay. 23-28. 19. Trags Roads on the attack. 27. Pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound by Dima Kulangan. By Dima Bautista. Intercepted by number 19. Well read pass. De La Serna. No good. And whose ball rep? Golden ball. Qatar Airways ball. Rivera. Rivera driving strong. Rivera, nakuha ng pick, kay Lumawag, 2 points Lumawag. 8-11 remaining, 23-30, 7 point na been posted na by Qatar Airways Flying Boys. Hoy! Billing violation call, sabi ng referee. Okay, number 48, papasok muna para kay Bautista. And timeout called by Trags Roads again. Trags Roads called for a timeout. Good afternoon. Okay, balik tayo. Yan. Okay, bola po ng Qatar Airways. Babagay. Escat. Nakalusot. Diesok pass. Kay Lumawag. Lumawag number 4. Nakuha. No, still completed. Makalinaw. De La Serna. 2 points De La Serna. Lumawag umatake. 48, side step move, balakas. Rebound battle, 1 by 27 again. 25-30, 25-30. Babagay, binabatayan. Kapul, 13, binabatayan number 48. Pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound by Qatar Airways. Di mo kailangan ito, Scott, nagmamatay. Lost the ball. Still complete. Recovered. Babagay. Di mo kailangan. Creating space. Pops up. Kapos. Rebound by 27. Kapul again. Kapul ng attack. Kapul ng attack. Nope. It's De La Serna for 3. Nope. Rebound by Qatar Airways again. Babagay. Escat. Eye in the sky play 2. Nice one. Nice play po. Lumawag. Eye in the sky play. Pinasok niya. Makalinaw. 6:33 remaining. Makalinaw, pops number 3. No good. And out of bounds. Balik po tayo. Out of bounds po tayo. Out of bounds. It's out of bounds. D-Mac. 48. Babagay. Babagay. 48. To Scott. Ayun, kay Babagay. Babagay. 2 points Babagay. Shortstop. It's in. 25-32. Again, a 9-point lead have been posted now by Qatar Airways again. The biggest lead so far in this game. Di makulangan. Di makulangan. Binabantayan. And now, number 20. Number 20, creating space. Palpal. Pero may foul. Sumabit. Sabit. Di makulangan. Sumabit ka doon, boy. On the left po, Trags, no good first shot, no good second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up again, pursuit. No good, rebound by Babagay, Babagay. Pinasa kay number 48 po, number 48. 48, pinasa kay number 48. Babagay for 3. Kapos. Dako number 20. Makalinaw. Makalinaw. Dish of basket, Recep. Pasok ang bola. Scott for 3. Bang! 3 points. Bang, bang. 10 na po kalamangan. The biggest lead so far. At 10 points, 27-37. Approaching down the 5-minute mark ng second quarter action. Number 19, Tereserna. Number 20. Mataas ang pasa. Balik muli po sa Qatar Airways ang bola. Substitution made now. Number 9 in. Babagay out. Pinasa kay Scott ang bola. Scott, tumatake. Scott, ayun. Ayun, kay 18 pala binigay ang bola. Di mo kailangan 2 points. D-Mac 2 points. Number 19. Tereserna. Naipit. Ayun, pinasa kay Makalinaw. Walang foul, pero same ball.
40 to shoot po tayo.
Touch last.
40 to shoot.
40 to shoot. 40 to shoot.
Number 13.
Number 13. Pops up. No good. Ayun. Number 20. Lost the ball. Foul. Foul committed. Number 20 committed the foul. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Vishal.
Number 20.
Vishal. Yan. Vishal to number 48. Manampang. That's Manampang. Team. Ha? Manampang, sorry. Manampang. Naipit. Scott. 2 points Scott. Manampang pala. 27-41. 14 point lead now. The biggest lead now so far. Still growing. 27-27. Naipit. There's a foul called. Vishal number 9 called for a foul. Same ball po tayo. Trags. Almost intercepted. Same ball. Same ball. Danilo Limota is watching also. Number 19. 27. Kaapol for 3. No. Rebound by Di Makulangan. Di Makulangan. Amampang. Amampang. And one play pabiligay. Amampang 2 points plus bonus free throw coming up. Amampang bonus free throw. 27-43. If you notice po, medyo depleted po kasi po ang lineup po ngayon ng Trags Rhodes. At may mga duty po sila. Okay, Bautista papasok na muna muli para kay Di Makulangan. 3 minutes 43 remaining.
Pasok.
27. 19. 19. Amampang, hinaharas niya ang number 19. Makalina, no good. Rebound. Same 2 points given. 2 points. 3 minutes 26 remaining. Amampang. Lumawag. Lumawag. Pops up. No good. One more time. Good ball. Out of bounds. Okay, si Jepox papasok po na rin. Si Escat na po yata nagmamando po sa Qatar Airways. Pisyal. Piskal. And Amampang. 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 Driving strong. Intercepted. Ayun si Pisyal. Wala. Recover kay Amampang. Amampang naglumipad. Wala pa rin. On the attack muli ang Road Boys. Ang Road Warriors. 2 points. Binigay number 19. Timeout called by Qatar Airways.
44-31 in favor of Qatar Airways.
44-31.
Second team foul, first team foul.
44-31. Qatar Airways still leading by 13 points rather. 2 minutes 49 remaining sa ating second quarter action. Trags Roads. Okay, back to the ball game. Number 19 for the inbound. Kay number 9, pinasang bola. Bishal. Bishal. Amampang. Amampang. Bishal. Konti sumina bola. Foul. Foul called.
Second personal foul against number 21, second team ball.
Number 9, Vishal shooting for 2. Pasok. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Pasok, pareho. Pasok pareho. Intercepted by Vishal. Vishal. Bautista sa ilalim. No good. Dahil masyadong malalim. Isa pa. One more time. 3. Traveling violation. Naipit si boss doon. Naipit si Bautista doon. Number 19. Makalinaw. Malakas. Rebound battle won by Qatar Airways. Jepox Carmona, 2 points. Jepox. Nice, almost still had it. Number 10 now, number 13. Number 13, dish of pass kay 21, pops up, 2 points. 21, 2 points. Bautista. 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 Shake and pick, Bautista. Langan mamapasahan. Number 19, number 19. Jepox second for 3. Tapos. 33-48, a 15-point lead. Makalinaw. Wala. Up. Help ball situation. Trags ball. Held ball situation. Trags ball. Pabagay. Papasok po na para kay Amampang. 1 minute 20 remaining. Second quarter action. Okay, Trags ball. Trags ball. And now, 2 points kay number 19. Number 19, 2 points. A minute and 13 remaining. Bishal. Hoy! May foul.
May foul tayo.
Foul number 13.
Jersey number 19.
Number...
Holding foul.
Okay.
19.
Scott, papasok muna.
13.
13. Jersey number 13. Scott, pumasok muna. Para kay number 19. A minute and 6 remaining. Vishal. Scott. Scott. Scott, pumaposisyon si Babagay. Scott, tangko ng pick. Scott. Scott. Nagkampasan kay Bautista for 3. No good. And nice rebound. Okay, Makalinaw. Malakas masyado. Makalinaw, malakas. 27, Scott. No good. One more time. Wala pa rin. Vishal. 2 points, Vishal. 30 seconds remaining. 35-50. Still a 15-point lead. Kapul for 3. Nope. Makalinaw. 2 points, Makalinaw. Makalinaw, 2 points. 16 seconds remaining. Bautista nagmamadali. Bautista kay Scott. Kapos. 1 second remaining. Wala. And that's it. Second quarter is finished. The score is 37-50. Lamang po ng 13 ang Qatar Airways, the Air Masters or the Airmen. Over the Road Masters po ang Crags Roads. Magantay po tayo po para sa third quarter action. Standby lang po tayo dito. We're here live po tayo sa QBFL. Ang pagbabalik o QBFL pool, QBFL live always po dito sa Abu Hamur, Iranian School in Abu Hamur in Doha. And mamaya po na po, plug po tayo mamaya. Doha friendly po tayo mamaya. Sa Newton International School naman po tayo at 6 PM po. Meron po tayo laro po doon.
tayo. At tanong sa bola, nagtambal mo tayo.
At kakasamahan niyo po ako doon mamaya po sa Doha Friendly League naman. Change court po tayo ngayon, change court. Okay, sa third quarter, Jepox, Dumawag, Bautista, Rivera, at si Dimac. Kabila naman, 27, 8, 27, 30, at si number 19. Rivera, pamatay sunog.
Pass to number 12.
Bautista for 3. Malakas. Rebound by Dumawag. Rivera for 3. Wala pa rin. Ayun! May pumasok. Put back by Bautista. Ding, ding. Number 19. Pinasahan, walang pinasahan halos. Makalinaw, slicing, no good. Dumawag na ka-rebound. Okay, kay Jepox. 2 points, Jepox, 2 points. Almost stolen. For 3. No good. Again, Dumawag. Now threatened. Intercepted. There's a foul called. Hindi sinasadya naman yan. Foul on Bautista. Unintended push. (35-54), 8:56 remaining. 11 makalabangan po ng Qatar Airways over Crags Roads. Ans po. Pwede naman sinasadya 2 shots plus ball possession ang sabi ng referee. Pops up. It's in. Sana. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second shot. It's in. Last ball possession. Ball possession. De La Serna. De La Serna, dish up kay Velarde. Velarde, bothered, and walang pinasahan. Nice D. Nice D by Bautista. Di makulangan. Binabatean ni Makalinaw. Rivera. Ayun, ang the sky play. Binigay ni Rivera kay Mr. L. Lumawag. And timeout goal again by Roadmasters ang Trags Roads. Nag-timeout muli po tayo. .36-56. Qatar Airways has now break the game wide open at 8 minutes 26 remaining. Third quarter action. Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo. Back to the ball game. Teteret, 8 minutes 26 remaining. Number 8. Okay, pinabababa na raw si James. Number 16. Oh, lost the ball. Lost the ball. Still completed. D-Mac. Ayun na naman. Number 8. Kinalawa pa. Pasok ang bola. Jesus. Number 30. Pops up. Makalinaw for 3. Wala. Again. D-Mac. Ano muna raw? Hepep muna to tayo. Hepep. Hepep muna to. Hepep muna raw. Huwag muna tayo ano. Number 16. Rivera. D-Mac. 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 Play mistake. Foul called. Jesus called for a foul for sure. Jesus called for a foul. Blocking foul called. Lumawag. Bautista intercepted almost. Still completed. Intercepted again. Bautista for 3. Nope, ayaw niya. Jepox. 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 Dioyo pang bola. Walang bola. Lumabas. 21. Tagda sana nun. Nice guard. Makalinaw. Makalinaw kayo di space. Take 2. Makalinaw shooting for 2. Jersey number 12 called for a foul ng Qatar Airways. Kay Jepox po yan. Makalinaw shooting for 2. Pops up. Pasok. It's in. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Pati yata yung ano. Pops up. Nope. Rebound. Back in number 3. No good. Isa pa. Lumawag. Naka-rebound. Bautista. 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 Still completed. Number 19. Kiniliwa pa. Hindi. Napuha ni Di makulangan ng bola. Intercepted again. 21. Makalinaw 2 points. Okay, back to back field goals po ni Makalinaw. 39-58. 17. Bautista. Still completed again. De La Serna kapos. Counter rebound. Rivera. Rivera. Rivera trying to again. Ay, the sky play again. Doon sila kumikita. Express delivery. And Carmona pinapal si number 21. 6 minutes 21 remaining. De La Serna. Makalina for 3. Nope. Ayun. Number 21. 2 points. 2 points number 21. Number 18. D-Mac. D-Mac. Nagmamadali. D-Mac. D-Mac. Driving strong. Malakas. One more time. Still. Another one. Another time. Another time. Rivera. To D-Mac again. D-Mac for 3. Kapos. Makalinaw. Makalinaw! 2 points again. Kiniluwalan ni Makalinaw. And time out muna po, sabi ni Scott. Mukhang naubusan tayo ng ere, sinasabi niya, kaya time out muna daw tayo. The score right now is 43-60. A 17-point lead being posted still by Qatar Airways. Tama? Back to the ball game. Okay. Vishal. Iskal to Babagay. 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 Amampang. Bumalik na rin. Last 5 minutes. Approaching. Babagay. Babagay. To Escat. Escat. Nakawala. Malakas. And number 19. Side step move. Wala. Makalinaw naka-rebound. Makalinaw. Makalinaw against Vishal. Nice one. And may foul called kay Scott for sure. Number 27 Scott called for the foul. Cameraman. Second team foul Qatar Airways this quarter. Second person is Scott po yan. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound is Scott. Scott naipit. White ball. White ball. Qatar Airways po tayo. Scott. Nawala ang bola sa kanya. Nice D ni Makalinaw. To De La Serna again. Number 19. De La Serna for 3. Wala. Rebound. Foul called. Puspal whip. Babagay called for the foul. Back-to-back team fouls po committed by Qatar Airways.
Second personal foul.
Qatar Airways again. Defending. Number 26. Number 19. Pops up for 3. Bang! Ito ba ang panggising ng mga Road Warriors? Scott. Scott. Bishal. Uy! Traveling violation. A 16-point lead. No, it's a 14-point lead rather. Now been posted by Qatar Airways. 4 minutes 21 remaining.
Jersey number 19.
Number 19. Bilarde. Nakazon. Foul again. Scott again. Third person upon Scott po yan. Number 9. Pops up for 3 again. Okay, back-to-back field goals already. 3-point po. Back-to-back po. Ginawa na po ng Trags Roads. Amampang. 2 points sa Amampang. Amampang 2 points. De La Serna. Foul. Pinagawa mo. Scott Cook for the foul again. Penalty situation, 1 per graduate. Scott, 4 personal fouls, 1 per graduate. Bilarde shooting for 2. Pops up. Wala. Kapos. Second shot, jumpers ready.
Ready na po tayo, ready.
A 13-point lead been posted. Still by Qatar Airways. Pops up. Pasok. Patok.
Pasok.
Substitution. 27 in. Number 8 out. Ng Road Warriors. Trags Rose. 48. Number 9.
50. 62-50.
Escat. For 3. Nope. Rebound by number 19. White ball. Sana. Sayang. White ball. Balik muli po tayo. Eto na. Number 19.
Number 19.
Number 19. Number 18. Driving strong. Palpal sana. 2 points na. Nice upper body strength by number 19. 10 na lang po kalaban from a high of 20. Now, 10 na lang muli po. Amampang. And 1 play given. Amampang. Basket counts. Amampang shooting for bonus free throw. Ang lighting dito. Insulation. Okay. Amampang. Ball shot. Kaya Amampang. Amampang in. Pasok. Okay, they given a breather again. A 13-point lead been posted by Qatar Airways. Number 19. 27 for 3. Nope. Again, one more time. 27. 2 points, 27. Scott now nursing now 4 personal fouls. Taken na Elmer Campbell. Babagay. 2 points Babagay. Bagay na bagay si Babagay. 27. Pops up for 3 again. Nope. And Babagay naka-rebound. On the attack muli po, Amampang. Number 9. Ayun. 2 points, number 19. Number 19, 2 points. Number 19. Binababa. Amampang binabantayan. And now, Kapul for 3. Nope. Rebound. Battle won by number 14 na. Number 19. Vishal. Escat. Ayun. Amampang. Wala na, sayang. Amampang. 2 shots. 2 shots given kay Mr. Amampang. Number 41. Number 48. Amampang shooting for 2. Sino nanonood? Okay, Adrian so it's watching also. Pops up. First shot. Amampang. It's out. Second shot, Amampang. Jumpers ready po tayo. Amampang, jumpers ready po tayo. By Amampang. Pops up. It's in. 69-54. Well, sorry, 70-54. A 16-point lead again. Been posted. Makalinaw. Bothered. One more time. Makalinaw. No good. 21. Fadeaway shot. Wala pa rin. Oy!
Oh, Nancy number
24, Babagay called for a foul. Penalty situation po ang Qatar Airways. 2 shots given kay Makalinaw. Okay, yan muna. Labas muna po. For sure, Babagay. Labas muna rin si Babagay. 3 personal fouls po si Babagay. Pahinga na para sa fourth quarter action nila. Makalinaw, first shot. It's out. Makalinaw, second shot. Jumpers ready.
Last round.
Pops up. It's in. Makilinaw, second shot, pasok. Okay, ito na. Amampang. Nagbadali. Amampang. Buwan play pa binigay. Amampang. Nice penetrating move. Parang nga GPU, binababila natin yung Amampang. Amampang. Bonus free throw.
Warning for penalty, Trags.
Warning for penalty, Trags also. 55-72. Pulling away muli po ang Qatar Airways. Pops up. Bonus free throw. It's in. Pasok. Number 19. Number 19. De la Serna. Lost the ball. Still completed. Escat. Ayun kay Bautista. Bautista. 2 points Bautista. Bautista 2 points. Nice D. Couple for 3. Bang! Couple 3 points. Amampang na naman! No good. No foul. Sabi ng referee. No foul. Bothered. Foul! Nice D by Vishal. Nice D by Vishal. Vishal. Okay, medyo konting meeting muna. Nagbi-meeting dalawang referee. Bautista still smiling face, ever. Yan, smiling face pa rin si Bautista. Nakiti pa rin kahit paano, kahit masakit na. Wala pang tulog yan, nakiti pa rin siya. The smiling face. Okay, what's the verdict, referees? Unspot foul called on 19. Ouch. That hurts. Okay, Vishal shooting for 2 plus bonus free throw. Pops up. Pasok. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Vishal, second throw. No. No good.
46 po tayo. 26 seconds sa third quarter.
34 seconds remaining. Third quarter action is about to close. Escat.
24 seconds.
Escat.
48.
Ayan na, Amampang. Amampang, Escat for 3. Oy! Foul! Take 3.
Meron tayo ng landing spot.
Escat, take 3. Act of shooting. Take 3 si Escat.
Foul on the numbers.
Eric De Guzman pala. Okay.
3 shot po tayo.
First shot, Escat. Kapos. Ano ginagawa mo? Second shot, Escat. Second shot, Escat. Pasok. Last shot. Jumpers ready. Last shot. Jumpers ready. Pops up. Pasok. This is made on video on demand.
3 seconds po tayo.
Okay, nakalusot. And couple for 3. Nope. Binato.
10 seconds.
Intercepted almost.
9 seconds.
9 seconds to shoot.
5 seconds.
27. Bautista. No good. 5 seconds remaining. 3 seconds. Running shot. Wala na. Okay, after 3 quarters. Balik muli po sa 20 kalamangan po. 58-78. Coming up next is the fourth and final quarter ng semifinals matchup between Roadmasters, Trags Roads versus, of course, the Airmen, ang Qatar Airways. Magbabalik po tayo after 5 minutes break.
Final 7-10 Qatar Airways.
Okay, final quarter. Final quarter. Bola pa ng Trags. Final quarter. Bautista, Lumawag, Rivera, Di Maculangan, and Jepox Carmona. Kabila naman po, the final quarter line po ng Team Trags is number 30, 26-13 at 13, 26. 30, 19, and jersey number 25. Okay, final quarter. No, rebound by Lumawag. Lumawag, Rivera. Rivera, Lumawag. Rivera. Jepox. Hop. Stepping on the line. Tumapak ka, boy. Balik muli po sa puti ang bola. 58-78. 9 minutes 31 remaining. Ayun na. Velarde. Velarde. Pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound. Battle won by. Okay. Balik muli po sa puti ang bola. Same ball po tayo. Same ball. Same ball. Same ball po tayo, same ball. 13, Kapul. Oy! Traveling yun, boy. Kitang-kita ka, traveling. 9 minutes remaining. 4th quarter action. 20 points po. Lamang po ang Qatar Airways. Rivera. Rivera. Rivera, humingi ng bola. Rivera. Yung Rivera! Rivera, 2 points, Rivera. Rivera, 2 points. Okay, ito na. 13. 21. Pops up. Nope. Rebound battle won by same ball. Ouch. Kita, di naman kita, no? Okay, thank you. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Makalinaw. Makalinaw, binabatent. And number 19 for 3. Nope. Makalinaw, nope. It's Lumawag. Rivera. Palpal. Palpal si Rivera. 8 minutes 5 remaining. 58-80. Same ball pa rin. 22-point lead now. Kalamangan ng Team Qatar Airways. Number 8 still completed. Almost. Nakuha. Hinahanap si Lumawag parate ni Rivera. It's still completed din. Still completed also. Makali number 3. Nope. It's 13. Kapul. 2 points. Kapul 2 points. Dibak, di Maculangan. Di Maculangan. Di Maculangan. Nope. Ginagawa mo. Number 19, binababa ang bola. Number 19, binaba ang bola. Pops up for 3. Nope. Ayun. 26, 2 points for the putback. For the putback. 26. 62-80. Labang yung walo po kalamangan ng Team Qatar Airways.
Number 18. Number 18.
Di ba kailangan? Driving, no. Kay Jepox. Niluwa ang bola. Good ball. Okay, smart play.
Sampo tayo.
Smart play.
42.
Same ball. Same ball tayo, same ball. Di mo kailangan. Inbounding. Ayun. Kay Bautista. Kay Lumawag. Lumawag. Di mo kailangan 3-second violation. Dapat tinira nyo na yun. Nasobran. Too much passing. No good.
19.
Too much passing, brother. No good. Sabi nila. Amampang. Binabatay si De La Serna.
19. 42.
Okay, Lumawag and one play binigay. Macalinaw and one play given. Basket made. And number 16, Macalinaw shooting for the bonus free throw. Layo pa yan. Layo pa yan. Rally lang yan. Di Macalinaw bonus free throw. No good. Rebound para Wombay. Good ball. Bautista. Bautista nakalusot. Bautista. Bautista. 2 points Bautista. Left and right.
Number 13.
Good ball. Macalinaw still completed. Nice D by Amampang. Amampang. Jepox. 2 points Jepox. 5 minutes 33 remaining. 64-84. Balik ulit sa 20 po kalamangan. De La Serna. De La Serna shake and fake. Pops up for 2. Bang! 2 points. De La Serna 2 points. Again, Bautista. Bautista, shake and fake. Bautista. Pow! Blocking foul. Blocking foul po. May isa pang. Di ba may volleyball dito pagkatapos, di ba? Ano oras? Dalawang game pa, no? Bago volleyball. Nag-time out po ang Road Masters. Okay, Francis Munoz is watching. Yan, good luck po mamaya po. Maglalo po mamaya po yan. Mamaya po, Qatar Airways. Qatar Dave, Dove Friendly po tayo. Titos and titos po mamaya. May po tayong daluro po mamaya sa Newton International Academy. Balik tayo. Scott for the inbound. 4 minutes 52 remaining. Scott, rebound, inbound. Naghahanap. Ayun, 48. Uy! Tip in ni number 4. Pinasok. Pasok. Number 4. Tip in. Pasok. Couple against Vishal. Number 8. Intercepted. Counter intercepted. Conceal completed. Again. Bautista. 2 points Bautista. Bautista 2 points. Intercepted again. Counter intercepted again. Amampang. Bautista. Wala. Isa pa. Rebound battle. White ball. Sabi nila. White ball. Balik po tayo, balik po tayo. Balik po tayo, eto na. Good ball. White ball still. I think they're not going up for the full court press. They go going up for the choke. Maybe for the Qatar Airways. Amampang, nope. Nakuha, still complete again. Scott. Ayun, kay Bautista. 2 points, Bautista. Bautista, 2 points.
Makalinaw. Binigay ko Makalinaw.
Makalinaw. Makalinaw. Umatake. Makalinaw. Makalinaw. Nice D by Amampang. Amampang, nice D.
50 shot. May isa po tayo rin.
Hindi, ano kasi, depleted kasi lineup ng puti. Kung parang naribisahan sila. Nagkuhan eh, medyo pagod sila. Kulang sila, kulang pa yun. Mga duty. Okay, back to the ball game ulit po at Amampang. Labas muna para kay Babagay. Quality minutes para kay Mampang. Good game po kay Mampang. Pops up. Nope. Rebound. And one play for Mr. M. Makalinaw, 2 points. Number 30, Makalinaw, 2 points. Plus bonus free throw, Makalinaw. Up! Time out. Team Qatar Airways. 3 minutes 38 remaining, 69-90 at 21 point lead being posted by Qatar Airways over, of course, Transworld.
Transworld and Qatar Airways.
Game. Vishal for the inbound. Vishal to Babagay. Babagay. Dimak. Dimak. Number 9. Vishal. Vishal. Babagay. Nope. And the sky play. Bautista. Malalim. Rebound by Makalinaw. Hop. Good ball. Yanko. Couple for 3. Nope. Vishal naka-rebound. Vishal kick, pass. Intercepted. Isa pa. De La Serna. De La Serna. Binabantayan. Pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound by Babagay. Babagay. Nope. Lost the ball. Makalinaw for 3. Pasok ang bola. 2 minutes 42 remaining. Bautista. Okay. They're starting na to milk the clock. Patay oras na po tayo. Patay oras na. 2 minutes 28 remaining. Pops up for 3. Malakas. Kapul. Foul. And one play. Foul on Kapu. Foul on Di Makulangan. Kapul shooting for the bonus free throw. Kapul. Pasok. Bautista. Bautista. Bautista fumbled the traffic. Makalinaw. 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 Foul. Number 19. A minute and 58 remaining. 75-90. Lamang na 5. Makalinaw trying to start something. Makalinaw, pops up. Pasok. Makalinaw, second shot. Jumpers ready. Makalinaw, second free throw. Jumpers ready. Good ball. Bautista. Bautista.
14 po tayo. Pass to the number 24.
Babagay. A minute and 40 remaining.
Anim na naman ito. Pass to Vishal.
Vishal. Dimak. D-Mac, sidestep, creating space, 2 points. Nope. Okay, that's it. I believe so. A minute and 22 remaining. 76-92. Bautista. Nakalusot. Bautista. Good ball. Bautista. Naipit ang bola. And goes the ball. Good ball. Okay, makalinaw na ko ng bola. A minute remaining. Makalinaw. Lost the ball. Same ball. Idol to. Idol. Almoro. Almoro's in the house. 55 seconds. Penalty situation on Qatar Airways.
Penalty mo tayo dito. Hindi ko ang may pagkama.
Okay, it's in. Makina, it's in. 55 seconds remaining. A 15-point lead na lang yan. Isa pa. Both baskets made. Good ball, good ball. 54 seconds. Malabo na yan. Okay, Bautista.
Number 8,
Bautista. D-Mac. Vishal. For 3. Nope. Good ball.
20 seconds.
Okay, that's it. I think they're gonna. Okay, that's it. Trags concedes. And winner and welcome to the finals, Team Qatar Airways. Facing now, the winner earlier is the Pirelli Boys. With it, maraming salamat po. Ako si Arvin G. Vlogs with you. Thank you very much po for joining me. This is a video request on demand. Request po ng aking kaibigan. Maraming salamat po and standby po tayo po. Final score coming up. Ayan. Walang group photo? Ay, group picture. Okay, welcome to the finals and facing welcome to the finals. Ayan, dito lang.
So can you take one picture for us?
No problem, boss.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Oy, ano, bilis oh. Inintay kayo. Okay. Wag takpan yung score, Fine na. Oh, Bishal lang. Oh, ready, Bishal? 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3.
One more time. 1, 2, 3. Last more. 1, 2, 3. Ah, ganun. 1, 2, 3. Compress ng konti. 1, 2, 3. Ayos na. Oh, dito naman. Oh. Okay, thank you. Oh. Thank you very much po. Okay, welcome to the finals. Qatar Airways facing next is, of course, yung nanalo po kanina, the Pirelli Boys. Maraming salamat po. And see you po muli po. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much.